Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the last subtopic, 7.3 is hypothesis testing for proportion. Example number 2. A claim was made that at least 30% of male students in Mahalah ABC owns a laptop. A random sample of students was selected from the Mahalah and it was found that 13 out of 52 students own a laptop. Test this claim at 5% significance level. Do you have evidence to refute the claim? So in this example, you are having the proportion, which is for the person having laptop is 13 out of 52 students. So this is your sample proportion, which is P hat equivalent to 13 over 52. And then the claim is at least 30% of male student owns a laptop. So this is the population proportion, which is P more or equivalent to 0.3. And then you are also given the value of alpha, which is 5% or 0.05. So follow that 5 step. Step number 1 is state the null and alternative hypothesis. So the null is your claim because you have the equality statement here. So your null will be P is at least 0.3. This is the claim. Then the alternative will be the contradict statement, which is P is less than 0.3. For step number 2 is critical value and rejection region. So where is your rejection region? At your left side, referring to the alternative hypothesis, which is you have less than symbol. The rejection area is 0.05. And then how to find the critical value? For proportion, you are using the Z test. So just refer to the Z table. When you have 0.05, the Z value is negative 1.65. For step number 3, you having the test statistic value using the formula of P hat minus P divided by the standard error, which is square root of PQ over N. So just plug in all the value. P hat is 13 over 52, P is 0.3, and then PQ over by N. N is 52. Total students, you have 52 students. Then calculate all this, you have the test statistic value negative 0.79. So how to make the decision? Step number 4 is based on this test statistic value. Negative 0.75 falls somewhere here in your non-rejection region. So the decision will be, since test statistic value did not fall in the rejection region, hence we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So when you fail to reject null, meaning that you are accepting the claim, the first statement. So how can you conclude? At alpha equal to 5% significance level, we do not have enough evidence to refute the claim, because the question asks, do you have evidence to refute? So can you refute this claim? Cannot, because you are accepting this claim. Okay? So that's how you conclude.